If you are unable to access your Venmo account due to lost verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you regain access without the need for those codes. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to proceed with the recovery process. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email or phone number. Provide the email address or phone number associated with your Venmo account. This information is crucial for identifying your account and sending recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. Look for a recovery email or SMS message from Venmo. This will contain instructions on how to reset your password or regain access to your account. Follow the link provided in the message. Step 5. Reset your password. Once you access the recovery link, create a new password for your Venmo account. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. After resetting your password, you should be able to log into your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Venmo's customer support for additional assistance.